Then 16. Then can be funny. After I'm carrying my wine. After I'm carrying my wine. Every wine is here. After I'm carrying my wine. Now, because here, I want us to be seeing each. I want to befriend you. When I say I want to befriend you, I want to befriend you. You're the crude. The correct should be, I want us to be seeing each other. I want us to be seeing each other. Say, I got to I was one day. Make it clear. As a man, he's a conqueror. Was a kind of let us be seeing it. He said, you could like so I want to say, let's be seeing each other. Let's be dating. I see that girl. Yes, I'm seeing her. I mean, are you dating her? I put on the when I want can you see her? Are you seeing her? Get another number. I hear you. So give her a wine. Mother say, hello girl, can we be singing? I want us to be seeing each other. It's okay. It's not a problem. You could hear my. Can I have your number? Say, no, why should you have my number? That's what I told you to be my girlfriend. Say, you didn't tell me to be your girlfriend. You told me, we shall be seen. Oh, all right, I know. Give it a gift. When I'm going to somebody say, oh, girl, I like you. I want us to be seeing each other. So, we are, oh, I'm going to say, what do you mean? I mean, explain yourself. Say, I mean, be my girlfriend. I said, but I'm asking you, can we be seeing each other? I want to be seeing you, girl. You say, I want to hear me. I say, I am yours. I hear you. I'm going to be in one school, in a mixed school. What work on there? We are no Igbo. I'm not going to see, I want us to be seeing each other. I want to see a hand on one. The guy put one day to send I to go and do what I want to do. Even the rest, no, not a good. I was at school, out on the second floor, as we were coming downstairs. Okay, what time to go ask my baby, go by here, Tiaka, go by a tar. Come on, I said, can you? I said, cool, Dad, I said, I told you now. I said, can you told you? Don't come up. I was going to be my babe. Say, a baby, the Konuka. Be a babe. Somebody I told you should be seeing. So here, I got you told me you want us to be seeing each other. And I got home at school. I was thinking that Konuka. I said, babe, you know what you understand. What's happened? You had a queen and why I want to know. May you more bookie. I got a cabin. You could a Korea. Oh, I said, why? I hope you wouldn't mind a dance with me. I said, yes. But I want to about babe. Do you mind? Okay, what do you mind? I hope you wouldn't mind a dance with me. I'm not going to go with you. I'm going to go with you. I'm going to go. No, I won't be angry. Let's dance. I'm going to go. Shut up. I won't say, I hope you don't mind a dance. Say, yes. Oh, we can't issue your mama. You shop at a mama. You say, I want to dance. You say, yes. But give up the young apple. You say, let's dance. I will say, yes. I will say, but I said, yes. Okay, I'm going to imagine. Motiata, do you mind me? Do you mind if I ask you a question? Woman, Joe. Listen, yes, it will annoy me. Don't ask me. No, it won't annoy me. Ask me, I will answer you. Do you mind if I take your number? You say yes. What a pity. I get a number. I know. Yes, I can make a number. Do you mind if I hold your hand, boy, girl? Say yes. Yes means did you? But no. Don't hold it. Number 17. Gina that girl on eye. Gina that girl on eye. Gina nwa on eye. I think, are you befriending her? The grammar is weak. He goes, are you seeing her? Are you seeing that girl? So yes, I'm seeing her. Are you seeing her? I'm seeing her. I'm seeing her. That's the girl I'm seeing. We've been seeing each other. What the lemon and I? We've been seeing each other. What kind of song can we be seeing each other? Why does someone can we be seeing each other? Okay, someone can we be seeing each other? I say you see her. It does not mean me now. Yeah, you know where I kuru on getting a dinamma. That's the girl I'm seeing. We've been seeing each other for some time. I want us to be seeing each other. Actually, I want us to be dating. I hear you. Are you seeing each other? So that's the girl going down there. Are you seeing her? Oh no, you get here and kuru and get an eye. It's just like maybe could I say can I meet you? So when we come home and ask me, can I meet you? Can I meet you means what is your name? Can I know you? A guy interview. The interviewer, Apataniru, was any more interviewee here? Here's some go. Interview. I said, okay, bye. See you Monday for results. He said, no, you have not interviewed me. But I'm not even going to interview me. Then the interviewer, Mama taking him office. You need this job badly. And the man says, young lady, can I meet you? He said, hey, what can I like? He said, yeah. Uncle, where do you want us to meet now? Can I meet you means what is your name? Can I know you? Be careful. Are you in a kusio? Ana megusa gego. Nke number 18 na ukwa. Ana megusa gego. I want to create say apoyo gichi we say wa ozgo not ego kan na egusa gi. Ana megusa gego. The Nigerian English say I am just pulling your legs. You don't pull my legs. You pull my leg, Ofu. So in British English, I was relaxed. I was only pulling your leg, Ofu. But I was pulling your legs. As I get near you, make it die. That's it. Oh, well, I was pulling your leg. Sorry. I was merely pulling your leg. So, Blair, Dear Maranki, cook, Maran, Kuti, and I could hear. I can't let her could give Kua, I got a Gaka, and one much I need. Yeah, but there is this video in a Kiluba, the Lani, the layer. Emana, me hear ku, or ya, Mawahe. Then he didn't accuse you about when the Granamana or Wejuku, Mawashi. I got number 19. Oh, no, just say, did you get by? Ijibu Udioga. Did you get by? Ijibu Udioga. You know, in Nigerian English, what is holding you there that made you waste time? Nothing is holding you there. The writer should be what kept you. Make us so you buy. You say, Mom, you're keeping me. My mom kept me. My mom will. What kept you? What is keeping you there? My mom is keeping me. He said, Mom, look, you're keeping me. Or I got off his somebody say, in a bogie. You are keeping me. You're wasting my time. Okay. Agabo, you're holding me. Why are you holding me? So you saw holding me or keeping. But now when you're not keeping, you make it what I say, kept woman. I'm a kept woman. A kept woman. I bred the barado on it. A kept woman, when you be with work and a work be, and a work I have dear. A long gal, you be a kept woman. I want to cause it to shack up. If you shack up with a man, sorry, with a woman rather. Look at what I'm going to be why, Biddy. You are no here. I was shack. To shack up. S-H-A-C-K. To shack up with a woman. But a kept woman, the one who be going to be wicked, no man. Biddy eba. A woman, no gal. I look at her, maybe her going to shiggy. Give biddy eba. A kept woman, and then to shack up with a woman and all that. So thank you very much. Number 20, let's see. Oko na kom nisi. This is very interesting. Oko na kom nisi. Nigerian English. I say, my head is scratching me. Isi ga abro mmadu. Isi ga na ha ejije. Onwe ha aka. Oga ha ko oko. Wagenti. Oko is a noun. Eko the verb. So scratching the verb. Itch the noun. Oko the itch. To scratch the verb. Eko krem krem. I have to scratch. What to scratch is the itch. So my hair is itching me, or my head is itching me, whatever it is you want to say, stay correct. Therefore, I scratch my head. My head is itching me. Therefore, I scratch my head. This is scratching. But the itch, central. It pretend you're not hatagi. You're going to give it a while. Shift ya. Now, Bukrim. The madam, the madam, I can't armpit. Give it a go cook. Hello, could do. Get our call. For the moment, now, Bentina go on a bit the money, give it now one money. You will keep it to you. You never get a fish. I'm saying, hello, give it a kunaka. It was a rala. This is anything, without my share in your way. So, okay, Wafa. So, now let him give it to me a bar. Oh, yeah, when I say, now, Oko na communicate. Can you to his window? Ike gear, abra buttocks. Ika, ofetua, buttock. Ofetua, buttock. Put together, plural, buttocks. So, I will call a bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Bottom bukuike. But let's delineate, let's differentiate the two. Buttocks relates mostly to Ike Nabwa. Bottom can also mean Ike. Ike Nabwa put together, no P, no S and bar. Bottom also means Anaiye. We'll get to the bottom of it. That one is abstract. I guess to believe I'm always here to years bido. Let's look at the bottom of this river. That is physical. Okay. So, I'll carry you on your bottom. Correct. I'll carry you on your buttocks. Correct. But buttocks is strictly about Ike. Bottom can mean Ike or Anaife, physically or abstractly, as it were. Good. So,